Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit VFX or visual effects in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to open your Filmora software, and after that, you will need to start your project. So you can simply either create a new one or open an existing project. And now all you will be needing is just like to import your media into the timeline. So you can simply go to the media panel or the media menu, and from there you will need just to drag and drop the videos. Now all we will be needing to do is to add our VFX so we can start editing. You can find all the VFX, either you can have them from uh, the effects, or you can simply create or uh, get some stickers. As you can see here, I just been like searching for smoke effects here in Filmora stickers, and you can add, for example, this one. So as you can see now, it is adding like the smoke effect into our video. Now you can start like editing your visual effects by going simply to the video. You can transform anything that you would like from the video. You can like choose a blending mode so it can blend with the video and it's not really showing a lot, or you can just make it normal and start changing the opacity so it can be more blending, etc. Also, you can go to the color, and from there you can start like changing like the color for the effect so it can be kind of blending and good looking with the video and not being heterogeneous. And basically, you can change whatever you'd like in the video or the VFX, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.